Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil, and in today's video we're going to solve an interesting math problem involving subsets and exponential equation. Let's dive into it. As you can see, the problem is the number of subsets of a set with 2k elements is 56 more than the number of subsets of a set with k elements. Find the value of k. We know that when we have a set with n elements, we can find the number of subsets using this formula, 2 to the power of n. So according to this question, we can write an equation, 2 to the power of n, which is 2k elements, equals to 56 plus 2 to the power of n, and n here is k. So we have an equation and we are going to solve this. We know that when we have a to the power of m times n, we can rewrite this as a to the power of m raised to n. So instead of 2 to the power of 2k, we can write 2 to the power of k squared equals to 56 plus 2k. And we have 2 to the power of k in the both sides of the equation. So let x be 2 to the power of k. So we can rewrite this equation as x squared equals to 56 plus x. And now we can rearrange this equation and write it in this form. X squared minus x minus 56 equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. There are different ways that you can solve any quadratic equation, but I'm gonna use product and sum rule, and I'm gonna find two numbers that multiply to negative 56 and add to negative 1. These two numbers are negative 8 and positive 7. So we have two possible solutions. X minus 8 would be 0, or x plus 7 equals to 0. So x is 8 and here x is negative 7. These are two possible solutions. But we know that x is 2 to the power of k is a positive number, so negative 7 is not accepted, is undefined, and x equals to 8. And the last step is that x is 2 to the power of k. So 2 to the k would be 8, and 8 is 2 cubed, so k is 3, which is the final answer. And we can check the answer. 2 to the power of 2k is 56 plus 2 to the power of k. K is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 cubed is 8. And 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So 64 equals to 56 plus 8, which is completely correct. So k equals to 3 is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.